I've been wanting to work on my drawings and my style for a while now, so recently I've been trying to do a lot more sketches than what I usually do. Over this year I'm hoping to sketch basically every day if I can, and I'm hoping that's going to improve my style and improve my artwork immensely. Fingers crossed. So last week I went out and bought a new sketchbook because I'm always after excuses to get new sketchbooks, and I also bought a new paintbrush, some sepia ink and another Pigma fine liner. So the idea is to try and just do at least one sketch a day of literally anything that I feel like, and also to work a bit more on the tonal values and the shadowing and everything like that. By basically just colouring it in with sepia watercolour. So I'm over a week in now. I've only missed one day, and so far I'm not really seeing an improvement on my sketching. Some are really good, some are really bad, as you can see, but it is cool to sort of start seeing this sketchbook grow, and I'm looking forward to seeing where it goes. I'm hoping that by the end of it I'm going to see some improvement in how I draw. So if I keep up with this, which hopefully I will, I'm wanting to sort of make update videos. So this is the very first video. Hopefully I'll make one a month in, and then maybe like 3 months in or something like that. We'll see how we go. So this is my current project with drawing at the moment. I think I'll talk a lot more about it in detail when I make the next video about it, just so I have a wider range of drawings that I can sort of analyse and see if I'm improving or getting worse. Hopefully I'm not going to get worse. That's basically it for now. So I'm trying to sketch every day for this year. We'll see how it goes. Let me know if you've done anything similar like this, or you want to do anything similar, and we can support each other. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!